Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is India Today group of campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the first thing is the job role or the job title. It is for software engineer, and that too they are hiring for multiple roles, that is around 5 different roles, and the job or the work location is Noida, and the salary of the CTC it is 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. So for different job roles, so the salary of the CTC it depends. So the next thing is the experience needed. It is for freshers. So the next thing is the important deadlines. So the last date to apply for this particular job role, it is on May 6th 2022, that is on Friday, and the drive date which will be conducted on Sunday, that is 8th May 2022, and the drive location, so all the rounds will be conducted online itself. So the next thing is the different job roles they are hiring for. So they are hiring for 5 different multiple roles. So the first role it's a software developer, and the second role it's a associate product manager, and the third role it's a QA engineer, and the fourth role it's a machine learning engineer, and the fifth role it is for data analyst. So these are the 5 different job roles they are hiring for this particular job. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BE or BTech or MA or MTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and all branches are eligible, and the batch or the year of pass out is 2022, and the percentage criteria, so for the graduation it should be 75%, and for 10th and 12th so it should be 65%. So then we shall see the technical skills that are needed for each role. So the first role it's a software developer. So you need to have knowledge or experience in any of these technologies. It can be JavaScript or Flutter development or Android development or iOS, or it is good to have knowledge of React.js or Node.js, as well as React Native or PHP or any other JavaScript framework is preferred. So these are the skills that are needed for the first role, that is software developer. So the next thing is the role 2, it is associate product manager. So one should own, develop and execute the product vision, strategy and roadmaps, and you need to collaborate with the cross-functional team of engineering, design, product marketing and also research to build the amazing experiences for the customers. So as the associate manager, so these are the skills that are needed for this particular role. So the next thing is the role 3. So they are hiring for machine learning engineer. So one should have knowledge of machine learning, and you need to build and enable the machine learning and various services to support the major artificial intelligence, AI as well as data science use cases using classical machine learning and natural language processing as well as computer vision. So these are the skills that are needed for the role 3. So the next thing is the role 4 they are hiring is for QA engineer, so quality analyst. So one should maintain the code repositories as well as version control tools such as GitHub or it can be GitLab, and you need to understand the solution sequence or the architectural diagram, and you need to elaborate it to design the REST API test scenarios as well as test cases, and you need to execute those. So these are the skills for the QA engineer. So the last role, that is role 5, it is for data analyst. So as an analyst you need to have knowledge of SQL. So one should design the SQL scripts to directly query, and you need to analyze the internal as well as external sources to package together clear, so as well as actionable findings. So for data analyst you need to have knowledge of SQL and how to write the queries. So these are the 5 different job roles they are hiring for. So then coming to the application link, it is through eLitmus. So you can just log in with your account and complete all the details. So you can apply for any of these roles. So you can apply for more than one roles also if you prefer. So you can just stick on one role and you can add that skills, and if you have done any of the certification or internship related to that, so you can add that and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.